In this video, we aim to demonstrate the safety and security measures necessary before transiting the high-risk area. The cargo ship is currently moving at full speed, equipped with barbed wire fences and electrified firefighting equipment to ensure safe navigation. All doors and hatches are securely locked. This route is a bustling passage between Singapore and Europe, where merchant ships face the risk of piracy attacks in various parts of the world. Presently, the areas prone to attacks have narrowed down to the East and West African coasts. Within the Arabian Sea, the Somalian coast remains a high-risk area. Every voyage is filled with challenges and the unknown. Do you find the work of seafarers interesting?